Welcome to Whisperwood, kids! Are you ready for an adventure?
We'll count from 0 up to 10. Come on, friends, let's begin. Look at the green and empty ground. Not a single house around.
0! First we need a clever plan.
One big plan. Big diggers clear the land. 1, 2 diggers. 2 diggers. Cement mixers, hand in hand. 1, 2, 3. 3 cement mixers. Counting on our way. Building, learning, hip hip hooray. Numbers help us work and play on the construction site today. Brick pallets, what a stack! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pallets of bricks. Big roof beams reaching for the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 roof beams. Large windows bring plenty of light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 windows. Counting on our way. Building, learning, hip hip hooray. Numbers help us work and play on the construction site today. Red roof tiles to complete the roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 roof tiles. New doors, a great design. Make this happy house all mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 doors. Tools for working on the construction site. 1, 2, 3,